Hello children, myself Sangeeta Jadhav from Gokhale Education Society JDC Bitco English Medium High School Nasik Road. My dear children, in the last video we have finished page number 44. The name of the lesson was Weeds in the Garden. I think you must have read the lesson twice, page number 44, and I had given some difficult words that to write 3 times in the class workbook. You must have done that. So children, let us start the remaining part of the lesson. What happened? Anshuman went to the grandparents' house. So his father took him for a walk. And what happened there? The father told him to pull out the weed. The meaning of weed was the unwanted plant. 2 of the weeds was very easy. There was no difficulty to pulling out that weed. But for the 3rd time, what happened? Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. So, we will read the lesson, page number 45, and then I will explain. There, it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. That could be quite dangerous. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out, said Anshuman's father. Anshuman held the plant in his hand and gave it a tug. The weed didn't move it at all. He pulled harder and harder, but to no avail. I can't get this out, exclaimed Anshuman. It has gone too deep into the soil. So then his father brought some implement. They dug around the weed and with great effort pulled it out. When they were returning home after the hard work, Anshuman's father mentioned, habits are like weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. It is wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Anshuman realized the truth in his father's word. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father. So what happened, dear children? Anshuman's father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. Same weed was there, but it was quite grown up. It had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. That could be quite dangerous. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out, the father said. The father said to Anshuman, pull it out, that wheat which was grown. So Anshuman was in mind that it's very easy to pull out that. So he decided to pull that wheat. What happened? Anshuman held a plant in his hand and gave it a tug. See the picture, how it is. How he's pulling the plant. The wheat didn't move at all. He pulled harder and harder, but there was no chance to pull that weed because it was deeply grown in the soil. It was fixed, so it was very difficult to Anshuman to pull that weed. So what happened? I can't get this out, he exclaimed. It has gone too deep into the soil. The weed was quite deep into the soil. So what happened? What happened? Listen now. The father brought some implement. They dug around the wheat and with great effort they pulled it out, the wheat. When they were returning home, after the hard work, Anshuman's father mentioned. So It was very difficult for Anshuman to dig that plant, that weed, but with great effort they have dug that weed. So while returning home, Anshuman's father mentioned him that habits are like weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is uprooted them. So it is wise to get rid of them and when it is easy to do so. So father said that whichever habit you are inculcating in your mind, so it's very bad. So the bad habit should be removed, because when it is fixed, it's very difficult to remove from your mind. So good habits are always good. So listen in your future also, the father said. Anshuman realized the truth what his father said. He realized the truth of the father's words, and throughout his life he never forgot that early morning's walk on the farm with his father. So dear children, bad habit is like the weed. So good habit is like flowers. So inculcate in your mind the good habits. Good habits always help you in your future, in your studies, in your behavior, in your society, and many other things. So children, I hope you must have understood the lesson. It's very easy. From the lesson, underline the difficult words. Dangerous. Then exclaimed. Then implement. Then dug. Then get rid. Realized. Finished. So exercise now. The answers I'll be giving you. Right. Question number 1. List all the words and phrases in the story that indicates time. Second question.
Add proper prefixes like up, un, dis into the following form opposites: happy, rude, effective, noticed, believe, civilized, continue. As this would be the opposite words of the given below words. Answer is happy, unhappy, rude, uproot, effective, ineffective, noticed, unnoticed, believe, disbelieve, civilized, uncivilized, continue, discontinue. Now, third question is answer the following questions. First question is, when do the parents feel sorry and become unhappy? The answer is, parents feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them, and also when they even a scolding has no effects, the parents become unhappy. So this is the answer for the first question. Now we will move to the second question. The question is, what methods did Anshuman's parents use to warn Anshuman about his bad habits? The answer is, except for beating Anshuman, his parents used gentle words, strict warnings, also scold him now and then to warn him about his bad habits. Right, students? The last question, what did Anshuman's father compare bad habits to? The answer is, Anshuman's father compared bad habits to weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. So, students, homework for the day is write all the given questions in your homework notebook. Read the lesson and write down the difficult word in your homework notebook 2 times. Thank you.